Today I'm going to try out magnetic eyelashes. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. Take just a minute to subscribe to my channel to add a little chaos to your day. I've gotten so many requests to try out magnetic lashes. If you want to see my fiasco of regular lashes, check that out right up there. If you click on that little link, it'll open up into a new window. You can watch that and then come back and watch this. Hopefully this won't be as much of a fail. I did not research these. You know, I barely watched any videos. I think I've seen one video on magnetic lashes. But I know that quality is important and, you know, different things work better than others. So I tried 3 different brands here. I do most of my purchasing on Amazon, so I will link these for you below in the description bar. You can just open that up and click. It'll take you right to Amazon so you can see the prices if you're interested. I thought I would try all 3 here on camera and we'll see, are any of them good? How hard are they? Is this gonna be fun? Yes, the answer to that one is yes. I'm gonna start with these little tiny ones, and they do in fact go together. Now I don't have any mascara on or eyeliner because I wanted you to be able to see up close whether or not this works, and I didn't want the mascara or eyeliner to skew your view. We're gonna just place this on the top lash. Just gonna, oh, so far so good. Don't move, don't talk. It's moving. Yeah, up there. Yeah, up there. Ah. Okay, don't move. Ah, this is a little bit harder than it looks. Looks like it's easy, but it's not. It's not easy. Okay, I think that the problem is Michelle and not the lashes. Yeah, I seriously can't even get them to just set up there on my lash line. Okay, there. But it's way down so that it's making my eye look closed. It makes my eye look pretty. Let's try again. My eye's watering now from this, so do be aware that if you have sensitive eyes, this may bother you. They're kind of hard to take apart. You just kind of have to plop them, and then you're going to lose them on your desktop. And your eyes are watery, and you don't have your glasses, so you may never find them again. Instead, you'll find a spider. These are really hard to do. Wow. All right, that was too hard for me. Let's move on to a different brand. This brand in this little circular dish doesn't have a name on it. I'll say no name in the description bar below and you can look that up, but these are called Youngly. Now, the Youngly ones are slightly different. They have 2 magnets. They have a magnet on each side, whereas these were just 1 magnet. So maybe these will be easier, but they're awfully long, so I don't know. Oh man, they're so big. And you see how it's just going straight across and it doesn't actually fold over to your eye shape. So let's try another one. All right, ready? I can do this. Ready? Same situation as before. I need 4 hands. That's the thing. If I had 4 hands, this would be a breeze. I need someone in here helping me. Good job, Michelle. Okay, these are too hard. These don't have a name either, and they're not gonna work either. I'll try. One thing I can say for these, look how pretty. But these curve. Now wait a second, wait a second. No, didn't get it. Got too excited. I got overconfident. Let's try again. I'm gonna try this again. Ready? I'm ready. This is crazy hard. What is going on? You know what? Let's try it a different way. Let's try putting it on the bottom and then attaching the top. Not working. One more try. I don't think that's right. I went off camera and I spent about 15 minutes trying the different lashes. I even went back to the little tiny ones and I just dropped those in the floor after trying for a little bit. I can't do them. I tried, I give up. I guess I am not supposed to wear fake lashes because I cannot figure out anything about fake lashes. I'm gonna be on the hunt for the world's greatest mascara, and you can see which one I found that I like the best right up there. And until I find the perfect mascara, I'll keep trying. Oh well, it's not for me. If you've tried these and they worked, tell me. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me how to do them. Thank you for joining me here today. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. If you'll click that button just above me, that picture, that will subscribe you to my channel. I do makeup, skin, hair, nails. I do it all. It's chaos here all the time. You won't want to miss a minute. And in the meantime, here's a video for you. Be blessed.